In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily preserve the night mode settings rather than automatically reset night mode to auto. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. By default, night mode on your iPhone's camera set to auto, so if we open up camera app and if we are in a dark place, if it is dark around us, it will show us that night mode icon here, and we can tap on it to turn night mode off manually. However, when we close camera app, night mode, next time we open it, will be set to auto. And now let me show you how we can easily preserve the night mode settings to make sure that doesn't happen. So guys, first off, we need to head over to settings and then scroll down until we find camera. In camera, we need to get into preserve settings, and that's where we can easily find night mode. If we turn that option on, we'll be able to control the night mode manually by tapping right here, and that will preserve the settings next time we open up the camera app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.